Wagwan everybody, welcome back to my channel. Thank you all for tuning in every time, and remember, if you haven't done so as yet, to subscribe to my channel, tap on the notification bell, like, leave a comment and share in order to help me grow. Today I'll be preparing fried rice. Fried rice is a Chinese dish which can be prepared with many different ingredients such as seafood, beef, pork or chicken. But today I am using shrimp. So come follow me in the kitchen, let me show you how I deal with shrimp fried rice. For my ingredients, I will be using 12 jumbo shrimp, which I have cut in half. They are deveined, peeled and washed in vinegar water and seasoned with Maggi all-purpose seasoning and black pepper. I have 2.5 cup of day-old rice here. It's plain white rice, cooked from yesterday and stored in the refrigerator. You have to ensure that you use cold rice. If you use room temperature or hot rice, it's going to get soft and mushy during the cooking process. We will also be using 3 tablespoons of vegetable oil, half teaspoon of sesame oil, half tablespoon of oyster sauce, and 2 tablespoons of soya sauce, 1/4 teaspoon of black pepper, half teaspoon of salt, 3 stalks of chopped scallion, 2 cloves of garlic and 1 small onion in this chopped, 1 cup of mixed vegetables and 2 large eggs. So we will start out by mixing 2 tablespoons of soya sauce and half tablespoon of oyster sauce. We will now mix these 2 ingredients together and put them aside. These 2 ingredients, the soya sauce and the oyster sauce, they can be the base of most fried rice. They make great flavors. To my eggs, I will add a pinch of black pepper, just a small amount, and a pinch of salt. Now we will just whisk this in and put it aside. So you want it to do like this and put it aside. Now that we have whisked our eggs, we will now put it aside until we are ready for it as well. Next, we'll start by heating our frying pan. Traditionally, fried rice is done in a wok, which provides the necessary room needed to do the stirring and the frying. But if you don't have a wok, it's okay to use a frying pan like myself. To the heated frying pan, we will add 1 tablespoon of vegetable oil and half a teaspoon of sesame oil. The sesame oil will give the fried rice a nice toasted flavor, and we will just swirl the oil around in the pan, ensuring that the base of the pan is totally covered with oil. Next, we will add our vegetables to the pan with the oil, the 2 cloves of garlic and the 1 diced onion. We will just stir this in for 2 to 3 minutes over medium heat because we don't want burnt vegetables. Then we will put all these vegetables to one side of the pot. Just like that, you ensure all the vegetables are on one side of the pot. And then you add your 2 whisked eggs and spread it out. You'll spread it out until it takes form. And then you'll use whether a spoon or it's a spatula, whatever you're using, to break the eggs up. At this point, your eggs should be looking like this. Now we're going to mix everything in together again. After mixing everything together, we'll put this to the side again. We'll create space for the shrimp by putting everything to one side of the pot. You will now add another tablespoon of oil to the pot because the eggs would have taken up all of the cooking oil. At this point, we'll now add our shrimp. The heat was medium. Now we'll turn it up to high and we'll just cook our shrimp for 30 seconds on each side because bear in mind, I had cut them in half. And we will just cook these until they are pink because we don't want to overcook them because they'll still be cooking when we add our rice to the pot. As you can see, our shrimp are getting pink on both sides. Now we'll mix everything together. After mixing everything together, we will remove these from the pot and prepare for cooking the rice. To the same frying pan without washing it, because all that flavor is still in the pot from the shrimp and all the veggies, I will add my final tablespoon of oil. I will now add my day-old rice to the pot. So we'll just toss this around for another 3 to 5 minutes, and then we'll add our remaining ingredients. And as you can see, this is not soft and mushy rice. This is individual rice grains. As you can see, you can literally count them one by one. This is shelly rice. Shelly rice makes great fried rice. This is exactly how you want your rice to look. Now we will just add our ingredients back to the pot. Mix all of this in, and now we will add the mixture that we had put aside, the backbone of the fried rice. This is the oyster sauce and the soya sauce. We will also add some salt to it, just a pinch of salt, not too much. You don't want to add too much salt because the soya sauce is already salty, so be careful with the salt, but you can just add salt to taste. And we'll add some black pepper to that. And we'll mix this in. You can start see the color coming. We will now add our scallion, and we will just incorporate everything and just leave this over low flame, medium flame for another 3 to 5 minutes, and then this will be ready. So this is my version of shrimp fried rice. This is how easy it is to prepare. This recipe is just like you would get it at any Chinese restaurant. It's very easy to make, takes less than 15 minutes to prepare. It smells so delicious. You can have it for lunch or for dinner. The full recipe for this shrimp fried rice will be in the description below, along with my Instagram link. Please remember, if you like this video and wish to see more, hit the subscribe button, tap on the notification bell, like, leave a comment and share. Thank you for watching, and I will see you next time.